In this video, we will go over the basics of enrolling a new account. For the new member to enroll, they would go to doterra.com/AU and in the upper right-hand corner, hover over Account and select Login. They will be taken to the Login portal where they will click Enroll Today. This will begin the enrollment process. They would then enter the appropriate region and language and click Continue. To proceed with enrolling, the new member would enter their information as they follow the prompts all the way through. They'll need to make sure to verify their information on each page before moving forward. If you are the enroller and are enrolling the account for the new member, you can just log into your virtual office at doterra.com using your ID and password. Once you're logged in, go to Wellness Advocate Services at the top and click on Register a New Wellness Advocate in the dropdown. You will then follow the same process in entering all the personal information for the account, placing the enrollment order and setting up a monthly reoccurring loyalty order if desired by the new member. The first prompt will ask you to select a preferred language and region from the dropdown. Select Australia and click Continue. The next prompt will ask you where your new enrollee wants their first order to come from. Read through the details and choose the preferred warehouse and currency. Next, you will be prompted to select which account type they want. Click the appropriate type and then select Continue when you are ready to proceed. Next is the Select a Starter Pack section. This is where you select what items your new enrollee wants for their enrollment order. To strictly pay for the enrollment fee, arrow over the popular pack options and select to add the wholesale membership by clicking Add to Cart. You also have the option to add additional individual items to the cart by searching for these items in the search bar. Or you can purchase an enrollment pack that includes the enrollment fee. The next page, entitled About You, is split into 6 sections. Make sure to fill out and complete everything. Review to make sure the information is correct. If everything looks good, click on the Continue at the bottom of the page. If there are any errors in the information provided, or any missing information, the page will not let you proceed and the areas of issue will be noted for correction. Once corrected, click Continue and proceed to the next step. You can remove any items using the red trash bin icon at the far right. To view the order totals, click on View Totals. Below, check the box if your mailing address is the same as your billing, or enter different address information as necessary. Also make sure to select the preferred shipping method. Click Process Order Now and Continue to proceed, and you'll be brought to a new page to enter the credit card information. When the enrollment order is ready to go, click on the Process Order button at the bottom right. Once you have placed your enrollee's enrollment order, another pop-up will appear confirming the order, listing their new doTERRA ID number and the order number. You will also have the option to proceed to the Monthly Order Setup section. This is where your new enrollee can start participating in the Loyalty Rewards program. The Loyalty Rewards Program, or LRP, is a monthly doTERRA order that automatically processes. This monthly order can help you qualify for free product credit points and other specific commissions and promotions. It is optional, but we encourage all our customers to participate to maximize their benefits from orders. Be sure to check with your enrollee to see what they'd like to do. If they don't want to join right now, simply click on No, I'm done for now. If they do want to start the LRP, click on Yes, let's set it up. Keep in mind that the first time the LRP will generate an order will be the calendar month following the enrollment. This is so they don't have the enrollment order and their first LRP order in the same month. By clicking Yes, you will be taken to a new page where you can select what day of the month they want their desired loyalty order to process. Only dates with circles around them are available for selection. Some dates have already reached their capacity for orders and are no longer available to choose from. Once you have selected the date, click on Shop Monthly Order Setup. Here you will follow similar steps as before by adding items to the search bar. Be sure to confirm the ship to address, payment information, and the shipping option before saving the loyalty order. Congratulations on learning how to enroll a new member. Thanks for watching.